These are my 10 predictions for crypto in 2025. It's going to be a big year, and there's some really insane stuff that I think is coming. Some of it's kind of out there, some of it not so much. We have some price predictions and stuff as well, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Now, first and foremost, we get at least 10 altcoin ETFs by the end of the year. Now that might sound like a bit crazy, like 10, really, Lark, that's a lot. Well, I want you to think that we actually already have 3 altcoin ETF applications, and at least, there might even be a fourth one that I'm not aware of. We have XRP, Solana, and Litecoin ETF applications in right now. Okay, so that's 3 of the 10 right there. When the new SEC comes in, they are going to be approving these altcoin ETFs. So we're going to get XRP, we're going to get Litecoin, and we're going to get Solana ETFs probably in like February or March of 2025. That's not crazy to say. Again, there's no reason that these ETF products have not been approved, and a new SEC should approve them. Now, once those come in, what's stopping a Dogecoin ETF? Dogecoin's relatively non-controversial. It's a commodity coin. What's stopping an Avalanche ETF? If Solana can have one, why can't Avalanche? If Avalanche can have one, why can't Chainlink? We're going to see huge liquidity come into the top altcoins. We're not going to get stuff for really new coins, obviously, but the big, more established players, those are going to be ETF products. They'll bring huge money into the altcoin markets. Number 2. Meme coins are not going anywhere. I know some of you guys hate meme coins. You get pissed off in the comments when I talk about meme coins. Well, here's the fact of the matter. The market still loves meme coins. It's an easy concept for people. It's something that they can look at and go, oh, I like dogs, and this one's got a hat. This one's got a ski mask. That's funny. I'm going to buy it. They don't need to understand sharding technology or ZK tech or restaking or any other nerdy bullshit that is being propagated around the crypto space on any given day. It's an easy, normie-friendly concept. And guess what? Meme coins, you haven't even seen the crazy yet. They're going to get bigger. They're going to get crazier. And here's what's even nuts. The biggest winners of the cycle, they may not even exist yet. It might still be some time. And look at Peanut or Mudang, that damn fat hippo. These things came out of nowhere and just surged to insane market caps. So some of the biggest winners of the cycle may not even exist yet. So keep clicking. There's still opportunity for you if you've missed out on some of the big winners already in this cycle. And you can still play the blue chip game, focus on the bigger coins like Popcat and Dog with Hat and Pepe and stuff like this and trade those because there's a lot of great opportunities to do that. That being said, there will be new hot launches that go absolutely insane. And the top probably comes in around like Jimmy Fallon launching his meme coin at the top of the market cycle or something like that. So watch out for that to happen. Of course, celebrity meme coins, just a reminder, are total garbage, and don't buy celebrity meme coins. They almost always go minus 99%. Like the first day, I don't even know why they're so bad. Jeez. Anyway, third, we get loads of really good pro-crypto regulation finally coming into the US markets, really paving the way for US global leadership in the crypto markets, and markets end up playing a bit of catch up as a result. So there's a lot of big things that could potentially happen. We may see, for example, Americans finally allowed to get airdrops. Crazy, I know. You go and test a piece of software and then you can get a free token in exchange for that, and it's not a crime. Haha. ICOs could even make a comeback. Now that would be really big if they allowed for ICOs to come back. That would just send the market absolutely nuts. US VC funding will probably come back in a big way. We'll see more clarity around decentralized finance. Remember, the SEC until very, very recently was pushing for decentralized exchanges to be basically brokers, and that they were all breaking the law because they weren't registered broker-dealers. Okay, that's been shot down in court already after Trump was elected. No one's even waiting. It's like, oh, great, new guys coming in. Let's just start doing all the stuff that we're going to do in a few months now anyway. I think we're going to see huge things happening there. Maybe we'll truly see some crazy stuff, like Trump has proposed that there'll be no capital gains tax on US issued cryptocurrencies. Now, they'll probably end up including stuff like Bitcoin and Litecoin and Dogecoin and that, because you can arguably say that enough of it's mined in America. Others like Cardano, Stellar, XRP, Hedera, a small list of other coins could also fit into that category. So big things here, especially if there's no capital gains tax on payments. We might see more stablecoin payment infrastructure and stuff, a lot of stuff, okay? And this is all just massive. Any one of those stories is massive. Now, real quick before we get into the price predictions, okay, I want to do a quick shout out to today's sponsor, which is our friends over at iTrust. Guys, if you are looking for a way to be saving huge amounts of money on your tax bill, and that's one of your biggest bills in crypto, then you might want to look into what the guys over at iTrust are doing, okay? So here's the deal. They let you bring over your 401k, IRA, whatever kind of program you got going on, okay, for your retirement, and you can wrap your crypto trading in that retirement program. Okay, you can also start one with them if you don't have one already. Basically what this does, you can come in and do as many trades as you want with all the top coins. They got Solana, they got Dog of Had, they got Ethereum, okay? Bitcoin, Dogecoin, whatever. They got the top stuff. You can come over here, do your trading, do as many trades as you want to do, and you're not going to hit a taxable event once, which can have a massive impact on your long-term wealth creation in crypto, okay? 365, 24/7 markets, unlike ETF products, of course, plus low fees, the biggest IRA provider in crypto, and in-kind withdrawals. I mean, you can actually take those coins and self-custody them back into your pocket later. Gold and silver, real deal coins, bullion you can put in your pocket, okay, via the partnership with Kitco as well, so you can diversify some of the profits out into metals, which is pretty damn cool if you ask me. If you want to learn more about what iTrust is doing and support our sponsors, then there's a link down below where you can find out what they're doing and also get a $100 bonus. Okay, prediction number 4. The crypto market tops latest November next year. A lot of good theories out there for why March, April could at least be the first major peak of the market, with summer being crap like it always is, sell in May and go away, right? Or that March, April is it, and that's the end of the cycle. Both ideas, of course, have good legs, but regardless of how it plays out, November is the latest for the market top for crypto. Bitcoin at 250K, Ethereum at 15K, Solana at $1,000, XRP, Cardano $10, Dogecoin $354. That's it. Total market cap of all crypto, $10 trillion. That, of course, is 250K BTC. That's $5 trillion market cap Bitcoin, which makes up about half the market. Okay? These are huge numbers. And I want to be clear. These are just price predictions, okay? Don't get wedded to any particular number. Bitcoin goes to 234, ETH to 13.7, Solana 972, and the total market cap of all crypto goes to 9.3 trillion, and nobody sells because, but I was gonna wait for 250K like you said, internet man. Okay, these are just predictions, sort of general indications of where the charts show we could likely go. Maybe it overshoots, maybe it undershoots, but those are sort of approximate targets, okay? But it's going to be a pretty crazy year, 2025, unless something truly breaks or some kind of black swan event happens. We should be Gucci, guys, but that can always happen too. So, remember to be sensible humans on the way. Number 5, AI agents. AI in general is a massive trend in crypto. Super popular, in case you haven't noticed. AI agents, they're going to be super big. AI agents have kind of been dubbed AI meme coins, which they kind of are and they kind of aren't, because we're seeing a lot of different iterations of things coming out, and it really breaks down to 2 categories. We have frameworks like Virtuals and AI16Z frameworks, okay? One's on Base, one's on Solana, and then we have agents. So GOAT was the first big AI agent, and I can really say that GOAT is a meme coin, right? It's just spews out dumb crap all day. But others like AI XBT, I wouldn't call that a meme coin. That's an AI agent. That's not a meme. What's nothing funny about it? It's got a Pepe picture, but doesn't make it a meme coin. Look at the data. This thing is churning out data all day long. That is pretty damn cool, if you ask me. So AI agents are going to be way bigger than anyone thinks right now, and we're probably going to have at least 10 agents with $1 billion plus market cap, and probably 1 or 2 of those agents / maybe even some of the AI memes like GOAT hitting $10 billion plus market caps. The framework's probably going to go absolutely bananas here as well, because people will choose to pick and shovel versus trying to find the gold, right? Number 6, stablecoins are going to expand a lot more than people think, thanks to a pro-crypto U.S. administration. Obviously, USDT, USDC going to continue expanding. We're probably going to get more corporations adopting stablecoin payments, accepting stablecoin payments. We have a new big TradFi-backed stablecoin being launched by the dudes over at Paxos. And then, of course, there's RLUSD, which could become controversial take, perhaps, if they pull it off. Either RLUSD is going to be this giant flop, or it's going to be absolutely massive. And it's probably got a decent chance, considering all the partnerships, to be absolutely massive. So RLUSD could become, very quickly, the biggest stablecoin in the market and get major US backing because it's a US company. That would be huge if it happens. If it happens, okay? And I'm still gonna like my USDC, okay? But RLUSD could have a much bigger splash than a lot of people are anticipating, and that could literally bring in hundreds of billions more in liquidity to the cryptocurrency markets. This is how we get to a $10 trillion cap for all coins, okay? You need to understand that. The potential here is absolutely massive. And of course, that extends the dominance of the US dollar globally for decades to come. Smart move. It's a smart move. Anyway, number 7, the USA launches their Bitcoin reserve, but it's not going to be quite what people think. Trump's going to say we're going to keep the Bitcoin that we have, but they're not going to go and buy another million Bitcoin. I hope they do. That'd be awesome if they do. And they still might, okay? We're just throwing out a controversial take here. Now, regardless of whether or not the USA only keeps their Bitcoin or they keep their Bitcoin that they currently have and buy more, I think we're going to see other countries joining the fray and probably front running that whole narrative. We're going to see Brazil actually say, yes, we are, because they're already talking about it in the Brazilian Congress, and that Brazil will indeed buy Bitcoin as a strategic reserve for the country. And we'll have some other big countries out here confirming that they're going to be doing the same thing. Some countries already rumored to be front running the USA, probably going to be Saudi Arabia or Qatar or someone like that. We might have even learned that by the time that you watch this video. And we'll probably see some other shortlist countries that always have thought have had a huge potential to be Bitcoin strategic reserve countries like Switzerland, which has always had huge pro-Bitcoin people in the country and lots of pro-Bitcoin stances and regulations. Like, come on, Switzerland, buy some damn Bitcoin for your central bank already. Somewhere like Argentina might do something like that as well. Number 8, we hit over $1 trillion in on-chain real-world assets. Now, that doesn't even feel like that crazy of a number right now with Franklin Templeton, and you've got BlackRock's BIDL program, like huge amounts of money, okay? Huge amounts of money right now coming on-chain. It's only going to get crazier. Red Belly Network, when those guys launch, is going to be $70 billion on-chain, so it's 7% of the way to the trillion target. Just that one network launching, okay? It's going to be nuts. It's going to be absolutely crazy, guys. So $1 trillion on-chain real-world assets is going to be absolutely nuts, and real-world assets probably goes to 10 trillion by 2030. It'll be huge amounts of money are going to come on-chain. Number 9, we get a breakout application. Maybe 3 of them, actually. 2025 is going to be the year that really we start seeing a level of mainstream adoption because of everything else that's happening in crypto that we have never seen before. Now, we have games like Off the Grid, which I'm an investor in. Obviously, portfolio disclosure is always down below on the YouTube description. Something like Off the Grid gets major normie level of adoption, and people are just going crazy playing this game, not even necessarily realizing in the background there's all this crypto stuff going on. Maybe we'll see the SUI network, which has gone absolutely nuts recently, and their Play device get mainstream adoption, right? We'll probably have some kind of application that's not even launched yet that comes out and blows everyone's minds, right? We saw like Polymarket and their prediction markets go really big, but what if it goes even crazier? Pump.fun went absolutely nuts, but there's gonna be things that break out even more than that and really into the mainstream consciousness beyond just essentially gambling apps, right? And number 10, and this is the most important one, okay? And this is one I really need you to listen to because it is about you. And is that most of you will have a great bull market, and we want to celebrate that great bull market, right? Obviously. But here's the problem. Most of you guys are going to have a great bull market and you're not going to sell anything. The vast majority of crypto investors, as always, will screw everything up and lose all their damn money. You're going to believe in the power of your own genius. You're not a genius, it's a bull market. You're going to believe in the super cycle. It's a super cycle, guys. Look at all the stuff happening in super cycle. Look, investors break down to one of 3 categories, okay? Where everybody wants to be is the guy who buys low and sells high. You're smart, you buy during the accumulation period of 2023, 2024, you sell into the major markup and the distribution period, everyone's out here FOMOing in. That's 5% of people or something in crypto. The majority of people, maybe even you watching this video, unfortunately, the majority of you guys are gonna fall into the buy high, sell low, right? You're gonna only FOMO at the top. You only download the Coinbase app when Bitcoin's at 200K. You buy ETH at 10K, you buy Solana at $900, and then it only goes to 1,000. But you think it's going to go to 10,000 because you saw a TikTok on it. Doesn't work like that. That's the second category, and they're the exit liquidity category. You don't want to be exit liquidity, and it's tough because everything in your brain is going to tell you, like, but everything's going to keep going up forever. Look how bullish this market's been. Everything's winning, and I'm going to win too. It's not how it works, unfortunately. You'll buy the top, you'll sell the bottom. Someone's got to be exit liquidity, we think, if you're a sacrifice. And there's a third category, which probably a lot of you guys have been watching the channel for a longer time or betting crypto for a longer time are going to fall into is that you bought low and you watch your coins go super high, take a screenshot. Man, I'm a millionaire. Look at this. Is great. And you don't sell anything. And you round trip the whole damn bag. So prediction number 10, most people will, as always, fail to take profits or simply buy high and sell low. It's a brutal market cycle. And that's the most, out of all the predictions I've just made, this is the one that's absolutely going to come true. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you back in the next one.